Hey guys, it is White Blackson from Penguin PR TV, and I am coming to the audience of South Africa today to show you a way on how you can actually make some income at home during this time of despair. I'm pretty sure most of you really, really need money. Like everybody does need money, but let me just be honest with you, and this is how much I've made using this app. I've just started using the app. Like I downloaded about like 4 minutes ago, and yeah, I only viewed 4 ads, and this is how much I made, and I'm just waiting for more ads to come through. So basically, what this app does, let me show you the FAQs. Download the app, register and log in. Capture at least 50% of your profile information, view the content in your inbox, and engage actively with it. Invite friends and redeem your incentives. So, incentives are rewards. It's the money you get when you view an ad or when a friend of yours uses your invitation code. And you can use that money to withdraw it like from your bank account or use it to buy airtime. You don't wait like months and months and months like the AdzLok app that we are still waiting for even to this day. And yeah, so yeah, I'm not gonna tell you too much about this, but I'm just gonna tell you like the basic things that you should know because I don't want to make it too long. Another thing you need to understand is that when you're using this app, is sorry about the background noise. All you have to do is just come over here. The ads that were on the view ads were here. So when you get ads, you're gonna find them on this tab. So my viewed ads are here as I just started. You come over here and then you click on the ad and then you view, and then when you like view the ad, usually you're gonna get like a pop-up in the middle. A pop-up in the middle is gonna it's gonna include a code that you're gonna use to enter to get your incentive at the end of the video. Let me show you an example of a video. So yeah, the tips. So I'm just gonna click over here and then boom. Many users have asked for more ads. Bringing advertisers on board is a gradual process. We ask you to bear patience as we grow. As our users grow, the advertisers will also want to use the ad read more. So a win-win for all. What to do when you wait for ad? Remember, ad read is vital. Blah 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 blah. See, so it usually pops up like right over here in the middle, and then you're gonna like enter it, and then you're gonna like get your incentive. Blah blah blah. So what I'm trying to say is that you're gonna earn like maybe you're gonna have like about like um $50 that you really need for an emergency case or whatnot. You're just gonna press over here redeem fund, and it's in rands as you can see, and it's either you're gonna click on your network selection if you needed airtime or whatnot, or you can even change the number you need it for, or you can come over here to bank transfer and you can enter your amount. If I was balling and shit, I just like say, I need 10,000 real quick, you know what I'm saying? Or just add that up, make that amount, and then you just proceed, and then, you know what I'm saying? But I don't have that much money, still a long way. I'm not even sure I'm gonna get there, but yeah, I'm glad that you're trying to see what I'm trying to get to. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, basically this app will help you earn. It's a bit like AdzLok, but so far, let's hope it does better than AdzLok. Because AdzLok was yeah, AdzLok was. Anyways, I'm gonna show you my referral code so that you can enter the referral code, and I'm gonna leave it in the description. Actually, I'm gonna leave it in the description. You can enter the referral code and use it, because you have to use a referral code to actually create an account. You have to use a referral code to actually create an account. Please remember that. So when that is done, you can actually start viewing ads and earn money and invite other people, your friends, your family members. Let's just earn together, guys. Let's just spread the word about this app so that more advertisers can come on board, so that we can have more ads. More ads equals more money, and more money means you don't have to wait for the SASA social grants to pull through. You can just like receive this, and boom, you're getting money. There are lots of ways of making money online, and this might be one of the definite ways of making. So it's still in the trial process, but as you can see, we're still getting incentives even in the beta stage. So let's just use this app, and thank you guys for watching. I did try to make this video as short as possible because I wanted to get straight to the point. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I am out.